We'll be live in just 5 seconds, all right? Ready? Don't forget. Okay? Ready?
Go NCRT.
Go NCRC.
Go
Go
NCRC.
NCRC.
Go
NCRC.
Okay? So that's the NCRC Rockstars for you guys. We have all possible rockstars from different corners of India waiting to introduce themselves to you and spread the NCRC fever onto every single one of you watching us on Facebook Live. All right, and I think you all saw the enthusiasm that they all represented as soon as we went live. All right, so cool down, guys. I'll introduce them one by one to every single one of you so that you get to know them one by one. All right, so Manishka, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hi, my name is Manishka. I live in Makers Lab, Dehradun. I challenge all of you to participate in NCRCC.
Super. Thank you so much, Manishka. Venu?
Hi, I'm Venu Anand from Chennai, Maker Lab Siriseri. I challenge all of you to participate in NCRC.
Super good. Shrihan?
Hello, my name is Shrihana Vinaj Kusali. I am from Pune. I challenge you to participate in NCRC.
Super good. Arya?
Arya from Chennai, Maker Lab KK Nagar. I challenge everybody to take part in NCRC.
Super good. Srimad Raj?
Hi, I'm K. Srimahit. I'm from Ankapalli and I challenge everybody to join NCRC.
Super good. Lokesh?
Hi, I'm Lokesh from Chennai. I challenge all of you to participate in NCRC.
That's great. And we have Nishnath.
Hi, I'm Nishnath from Hyderabad. I challenge everybody to participate in NCRC.
Super good. Rishi?
I am Rishi from Chennai. I challenge you to participate in NCRC.
Super good. That's very infectious, Rishi. Nitish?
Hi, my name is Nitish. I am from Nellore. I challenge everyone to participate in NCRC.
Super good. And last but not the least, Balaji, would you like to do the D?
My name is Balaji Venkatesh and I live in Thane, Vasant Vihar, and I challenge you to participate in NCRC.
Super, super, super. So, guys, I hope you had a chance to meet every single one of our rock stars, or rather robocoders, if you will. And here they are to present you and infect you with the enthusiasm and how they participated in the National Robotics and Coding Challenge. So, before we move on, I'm sure all of you are wondering, what is this NCRC? All right. So, I just have a quick 10-second video just to show you so that you understand what really the National Coding and Robotics Challenge is and what can you do to participate and challenge every single one of our rock stars here. All right. Great. So as you can see, we have 4 amazing, great grant sponsors as part of the National Coding and Robotics Challenge, which means that every single participant who is participating in the National Coding and Robotics Challenge are set to win amazing prizes and gift hampers right from Fun City India, Sterling Holidays, Thai Chennai, and Malaysian Tourism. All right. And remember, this initiative, or rather this challenge, is promoted not just to start with a competition, but to have an impact or an awareness drive on the importance of coding and robotics and overall on applied tech education. Because remember, the future generation is right here. All right. It's important that we start looking to create and impact solution providers rather than say just getting marks and moving on with life. Am I right, NCRC Rockstars? Right. So that is why each and every one of them here have participated and registered in the National Coding and Robotics Challenge 2020. And I think I get great honor to be meeting, in fact, one of the India's future tech solution enablers and solution providers. So let me start off with Manishka, right? So Manishka, how excited are you about taking part in NCRC?
I'm very excited because I can develop my own thoughts.
That's great. So, Venu, if you don't mind, can you tell us what you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a robotic engineer or a CEO or NBA player.
That's quite interesting. How old are you, by the way, Venu?
I am 11.
Wow. See, that's the kind of visionaries that we're having here. All right. So they're no longer the children, guys. They are going to be the future. So think twice, before you think that they can't challenge you to create, I would say, tech-enabled solutions. All right. So moving on, Srihan, just to go on a gentle thought here, right? So what were you doing before you registered in the NCRC? What were you doing during the lockdown?
I learned how to play tabla and I did other activities in lockdown.
Okay, so you did a lot of online learning, if I'm right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sure that would have been dreadful compared to school. So Arya, who is joining us from Chennai. So Arya, did you miss school at all for the past 9 months?
It's yes and no actually. So like I miss school sometimes because because I can't speak with my friends in person, etc. But I also don't miss school when because I have more time, like because school Zoom
So Arya, people are going to listen to you online, right? So they will have
Zoom sessions are really small, right? Like they are just checked about 3 hours instead of 6 to 8 hours are in normal school, right? So I have more time to do whatever I want, like robotics, like the Linux and my other hobbies.
Okay, so essentially summarizing what Arya is saying, right? For those of you who found him a bit fast. So what Arya is saying is he loved also not going to school, but he also liked spending his time home. Engaging in his hobbies like robotics. Doing other activities at home, especially playing games, I would say, right? So moving on to Sri Mahitraj.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
angle, right? Who's your best friend at school?
Ma'am, my best friend is Manohar, and when I made smart home and Ranger Kit, and he saw and he inspired, and he will join to NCRC.
Wow, so looking at you, he got inspired, and you're ensuring that he's also joining in NCRC.
Yes, ma'am.
That's amazing. A big round of applause for Srimad Raj, who's started to do the awareness drive right around him. Great going, Srimad Raj. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. So, Lokesh, just to get an idea, you seem to be a bit older than a couple of our robocoders here. So, let me ask a futuristic question to you. So, what kind of robot do you want to build? Probably post the competition.
There's nothing really in specific since we have a lot of problems going on right now around the world.
Okay.
So probably something which helps solve those problems,
Mhm.
like for example, waste segregation and things like that. So
Okay.
yeah,
So, have you started working on those applications or any of that?
I have started in some few
Oh,
of them. So yeah, like the waste segregation and all. Yeah.
that's good. So I think, guys, here is a futuristic coder who's thinking about not just the competition, but something that he wants to create for the world also. So I think he's going to be a tough competition for everyone here and watching us on Facebook Live. So moving on to Nishnath. So I mean, probably more on the same lines of Lokesh. So what do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a robotic engineer. Since robotic has a better future and scope in the future,
Mhm.
I want to make change in the world and want to become a part of the technical world tomorrow.
That's interesting. All right. So okay, so let's get a bit more general. I understand there's been a lot of NCRC and robotics going on here. So off topic. So Rishi, you wanted to participate in the NCRC, right? What would you tell about it? How excited are you?
I'm very excited for NCRC.
Mm-hmm.
My
Joy knew no bounds. I am looking forward for a fun learning experience. I am more excited to be part of this big challenge and to be one among the top 100 finalists.
That's great. Congrats. All the best to you, Rishi. I'm sure you will definitely do more than good. All right. So, moving on to Nitish. Nitish, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Nitish, can you tell us, how has been your lockdown? Like missing school too much, or are you also engaged in a lot of hobbies like Arya?
Yes, ma'am. I'm very bored at home because online classes are very. I. It is because phones eyes are damaged more because so that I don't like online classes, ma'am.
All right. So you're waiting to get back into school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sure it's a tough time for all of us. We ourselves are waiting, when we can have the schools and our Maker Labs open. So hoping, and very soon, I think, a couple of the governments have announced that they will probably open in Jan. So hoping soon for that, Nitish. So last but not the least, just to get an idea from our, interesting participant here. So Balaji, I have a very different angle of a question to you. Why do you think you deserve a chance, or what do you think you'll do if you become a finalist?
So, ma'am, it is not always about the prizes for me. It is about the things that I can do with what I make.
Mm-hmm.
I think I can be a finalist because the things that I am putting hard work, creativity, I think that is going to impact on my project. And this is not always about winning the prize. It is about saving lives for me. For suppose if I win the competition, if I have a possibility, if I get into the finals list. So, ma'am, actually, if I win, then I don't want the prizes. It's not important to have prizes. I could save lots of lives with my app or my car. It is very easy. I could save hundreds or millions of lives only because of one app and one winner and one car. That is all that matters to me, ma'am.
That's really, really, really benevolent, Balaji. Very, very sweet of you. So yes, very true, Manishka. Very, very true. He definitely deserves a great round of applause. Thank you so much, Balaji. So to give you an idea to you audience, so if you see, a couple of them are talking about being a finalist, couple of them are talking about registering, creating an app. All right. So let me decode it down for you guys. So basically, when it means that you're going to participate in the National Coding and Robotics Challenge, all right, it means that you don't need any prior coding knowledge. All right, you need not have been, our existing student. It is an open event for everybody, which means that this, as I already told you, it's more of an awareness drive. All right, so all you have to do is go ahead and register, and as part of your registration kit, you will be given a course attached along with your registration kit itself. All right. So if you're a junior coder or if you're a junior student, which means you fall under the ages of 7 to 9, all right, you will have to register under junior NCRC, and you will be given a scratch course along with it, and you will have mentorship support throughout these 2 months. All right, which means that we will guide you into helping you to create your own virtual robot using a scratch course. Or if, for example, you fall under the age category of 10 plus, which is 10 to 16, all right, we will again give you an Android course as part of the participation kit. And just like our rock stars here, you will be, learning Android, within the next month, and you will be creating a shopping mall app along with the guidance of the mentors available here. All right, and once you complete creating your initial project, you can submit it, and out of the submissions, we've got around 5,000 people who've shown interest in being part of the National Coding and Robotics Challenge all across India. So, for example, we have Manishka from Dehradun. We had a couple of people coming from Chandigarh, Pune, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, everywhere, right? So all you have to do is create a project, submit it, and top 100 finalists, all right, will be selected and announced over a digital award ceremony by December 15. We'll have the last date for project submission, and by Jan first week we'll announce those top 100 finalists. All right, and who will then be getting a robot kit along being selected as a finalist, and then they will be given another challenge there after becoming a finalist, who will then have a shot at becoming the winners of NCRC. All right, and the beauty is all the 100 finalists get a chance to have or be part of the Young Tech CEO program at IIT Madras Research Park, which means just like what Balaji said, or just like Lokesh, who wants to create something futuristic or create something that enables solutions, right? You will actually have a chance to understand how you can make your project, I would say, commercially viable, that you can actually create your own tech startup. All right, that is why we call it as a Young Tech CEO program, which means no age bar. All right, we look towards you, we look unto you for becoming the future and the next generation of robo coders. So all the best for every one of you here. Thank you so much, every one of you. So Manishka, Venu, Shrihan, Arya, Sri Mahitraj, Trilokesh, you can say hi, so that the audience knows who you are. Right? So I'll repeat. So Manishka, Venu, Shrihan, Arya, Sri Mahitraj, Lokesh, all right, Nishnat, Nitish, and then we have Rishi and Balaji here. All right, so wish all of them all the very best and give them the best of your wishes. And remember, rock stars, to you especially, throughout your I would say your participation, you will have to pitch. The way that you have to present your project is that you will have to pitch why your project or your solution is the best thing out there. All right, which means give as much as creativity towards it. You will have to get public votes and ensure you are becoming the real solution provider out there. All right, so guys, please give them the best of the best wishes and wish them all the very best to become one of the top 100 finalists. All right, and ensure that they are going to be given the baton to take the future ahead. All right, that is why they are called NCRC Rockstars, my dear ladies and gentlemen, and that is why India will be a superpower even before US or China. All right, thank you so much for each and every one of you for joining us on Facebook Live. All right, and remember, just like Sri Malraj, who got his best friend, who's almost getting his best friend to join as part of the National Coding and Robotics Challenge, remember, it's not just important that you create a solution, it's important that you spread this movement, because as Balaji rightly said, it's not about the prizes. All right, it's important that we spread this awareness of coding and robotics. So start by telling your friends, proudly sharing with your friends, parents, family, relatives, teachers, that you are part of this massive movement. All right, so start by doing that and become the NCRC rockstar. So guys, if you also want to get featured in our Facebook Live, register like our rockstars here and you'll get a shot to see them again, probably next Sunday. All right, thank you so much. Bye team. Thank you so much, rockstars. Bye Manishka. Bye
ma'am.
Bye Srimad. Bye ma'am. Bye
Bye,
Niti.
ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye guys. Bye Srimad.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye Arya.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye Nishnat. Bye Balaji.